Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for The Sims error code 110, 83165b0, 895a2ble. As per our research, the error occurs when players try to load their household in The Sims 4 but are unable to access it. According to our research, the error is likely caused by outdated game files, broken mods, or corrupted game data. Now, let's move on to the possible fixes for this error. Before trying any workaround, we suggest you restart your device along with your router. Then check if the game needs to be updated. If an update is available, install it and check for the error again. If your game is up to date and you use mods, then check if any of your mods need an update. If so, update them and then check if the error still comes. If the error is still coming even after updating your game and mods, then try removing the mods and repairing the game files. After that, check if the error persists. If the error disappears after removing the mods, then one of your mods is causing the issue. To find out which one, test your mods one by adding them back into the game until you identify the faulty mod. If you have tried removing the mods and repairing the game files, but the error still appears, then we recommend reaching out to EA support to report the issue and get further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.